Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. And thank you to all our new subscribers because nakita ko na madaming bagong subscribers. So thank you guys, and to everyone who's here before, welcome back! So, we've been seeing a lot of requests for drugstore makeup. And I gathered all the drugstore makeup that I have and that I actually use. So that's what we're gonna use today for our drugstore makeup look. Hi guys! Me, welcome back. I guess I just really want to introduce myself a little deeper. Everybody has their own style, so you do you, girly. First off, our foundation. This is the foundation that I use talaga all the time. I think I showed this already before. It's the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte. It's the 24-hour foundation of L'Oreal. I am shade 105. It's easier for me to use a blender, but you can use your hands also. Sometimes I use my hands if I'm rushing or if I'm in the car. So just put it everywhere. A lot of makeup artists in taping also use this because it's super affordable but reliable. You just make sure to get it everywhere. I don't know if you can see, but I have like this one red mole. I don't know why it's red. I feel like it's okay not to completely cover it up. I feel like it adds character to your face. You have beauty marks or weird moles. Like my red mole. Don't take the extra effort to cover it up naman. Sometimes it's your imperfections that add character. So I found this new concealer from L'Oreal. It's called Infallible Full Wear. And I like this because it's their new packaging comes with a really big applicator. This applicator is super useful because what you would normally need 6 dabs for in a smaller applicator, you just need 1 with this. So, let's try it. See? Super dami na. In the under eye, try to spread it down like a triangle so that it's easier to blend and you don't get raccoon eyes. I just focus on my under eyes and then what other blemishes I need to cover. Blend, 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 blend. I just use my finger so I can get up in there. Next up is powder just to set everything. Okay guys, medyo loyal ako sa L'Oreal Infallible, but I learned this talaga from taping that a lot of the makeup artists were using this because it's 16-hour lasting powder. So, I just put a bit to set the makeup while I do the rest of my face. Hala, may naiwan. Make sure to check if you left anything, guys. Or else mukha kayong connect the dots. Yan. It happens, but everything can be fixed. In makeup and in life. Just set your under eyes. Ano ba? Namumula? Where? Oh my god. It's also good to have a friend. Your true friends will tell you kung masyadong maputi yung foundation mo or kung pangit yung lipstick mo. Anyway, so we're done with the base. I like to do the eyebrows next. This is what I use for my brows. It's from Etude House. I don't know how to pronounce it, guys. Christmas exchange gift from Ziggy. Since my eyebrows are already thick, I just really want to use a clear gel. I usually brush the center up and then from there, just brush this out. And that's it. You don't have to be too OC also with your brows, I feel. But yeah, I know. Kilay is life. This is what I use. It's Maybelline. It's a brow pencil. And I just fill in this spot and here on top. Super konti lang. That's basically it. Just filling in the bald spots. Anyway, I got these new air blushes from Sunny's. Raz Biscuit Disco. So I think I want to use Biscuit. So as you know, the air blush is a blush, but I like Sunny's products and basically, well, not just for Sunny's, but like all lipsticks can be used as eyeshadow or as a blush. So it's like a nudish, brownish taupe. So, on our eye. I really like using brown on my eyes kasi hindi masyadong halata na nag-eyeshadow ka, but it really opens up your eyes. It's nice kasi it's so creamy. And then I just try to remove the excess on the corner. Everyday lang naman to, so you don't have to be too malinis or too pulido. Okay guys, as a person, I really have kind of my thoughts all over the place. So, kung anong maisipan ko na ilagay, that's what I do. I just go with the flow. I know some people are strict na kailangan eyes first and then face first or brows first. But ako, whatever I feel lang, that's just what I do. And now, I feel like putting some contour. So this is what I use. It's also Sunny's face. This is the Glow Boss. The shade is called Mamacita. I really like products like this that are portable because I'm one of those people who are always late. So sometimes I just run out of the house and do my makeup in the car. So I just put this here at the corner. I just want a few shadows for definition and for contour, but hindi yung masyadong harsh. Some under here. Next, let's put some blush. Raz or Disco? Raz or Disco? Disco? Okay, let's try Disco here. So, I'm just gonna use my fingers. I like to put my blush on the center of my cheeks and then kind of just brush it out. I also like to put on the center of my nose just so it looks more natural. Okay, now we highlight. I also use this. It's just another shade of the Glow Boss. This is actually my favorite. It's called Hey Girl, and it's like a champagne color. So I just put here at my cheekbones, the bridge of my nose, and the other side. Just blend it, and then I put here in my brow bone. Just spread it out. And also here, the bow of your lip. There. This is from Happy Skin. It's called At Long Lash. It doesn't have bristles. It's just like a flat wand. So at first I was like, paano? But apparently, this style makes sure that your mascara doesn't get clumpy and it's distributed evenly. I'll show you guys. And another special thing about this one is, see, ang galing! Nakakaliw. It claims to stay curled the whole day. Here in front, upwards, and then outwards as you get to the corner. I have this. This is my favorite from L'Oreal. It's shade number 242, Rose Nuance. This is what I used on Victor Magtanggol for my character Gwen. I like to dab at the bow just so it's not too harsh. And I like to run my finger through it so it looks more stained than lipsticky. I also got this from Happy Skin. So this is the Jasmine lip gloss. I like it because I used to have a favorite Kylie lip gloss that was this shade also. And this is better because it's Jasmine, my favorite princess. So I just put a bit of gloss here at the tip. I don't put gloss over my whole lips because my lips are already big. So I don't want it to be too emphasized for an everyday look. And then that's it. And on a normal day, I just like keeping my hair kind of messy. Ta-da! Okay guys, so this is my everyday affordable makeup look. It's super easy, and if you guys ever get to recreate this look or get any tips from this video, let me know, tag me so I can see. And if you guys have any more suggestions for affordable makeup or drugstore makeup, please let me know. Let me know what it is and where you buy it so that I can try it for myself. And don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification button. So excited to reach 100K with you guys. I hope to see you at the next video, and thanks for joining me.